My name is Corky Harvey, and I am an internationally board certified lactation consultant, but my initial credentials, I have a master's degree in maternal newborn nursing. So my whole shtick has always been babies, mothers, etc. And when lactation actually became a field, I quickly went in and earned my credential through UCLA and then on to the internationally board certified when that became a thing. So, and then I founded a place in Santa Monica called the Pump Station in Nurturing, which opened then into wider 3 stores, and now it's shrinking because of COVID. But so we are a new parenting, nurturing center with the heart of breastfeeding. But of course, any mother is welcome there for Mommy and Me and many of the classes that we have. But the heart was lactation, breastfeeding to begin with. So I guess that I'm a mother of 3. Also obviously grown, and they were all breastfed, and that brought many experiences for me to share. Don't talk about myself a lot, but it gave me a lot of experience to be able to talk the talk and walk the walk. First and foremost, I think she provides tremendous support. She should be able to support education. So many of the parents struggle because they think that breastfeeding could be just natural. And although the physiology of it is natural, it can be kind of mucked up if people don't know what they're doing. So I think first and foremost, lactation consultants should have an educational piece as well as the heart for it, and being there to support people no matter what. Second of all, they should have hand skills. And I think this is a variable thing within the organization, especially depending on how much experience a person has going in and how they can get it. But she should have good hand skills and skills to help mothers with each individual problem within breastfeeding. So, where breastfeeding, we'd like to say, yeah, look, it can be pretty easy. It can also be pretty tough. And I think that's a fair approach. So this talking head, just put a baby to breast, blah, blah, isn't very fair. And so we should be able to solve those issues. And I think we should be able to listen well and see what women actually are saying to us and where we can help them. So I think almost everybody could use, there's actually evidence to support that every woman could use lactation support, and that women who seek lactation consultants help have more success with their breastfeeding. So I did a support group yesterday. I think I had 8 moms in there, and every single one of them was experiencing some level of difficulty with their breastfeeding. And so the availability, unfortunately, hospitals don't have the budget or see that as a priority. So we don't have as much lactation consulting available within the hospital setting, or even after women get home. And of course, COVID, I'm not going to speak unless asked exactly. I'll mention it, but COVID makes things more difficult with home visits, et cetera, not being, or in-house. I mean, we at the Pump Station, we saw hundreds of women a month within the store with breastfeeding help available to them. So women, you asked why you might seek it. Well, what if